Welcome to the Chef's Kitchen. My name is Josh Michael, and with me is Ingles chef, Chef Kel. Now, what we're about to cook and many other recipes, they're online at thechefskitchen.com. Chef Kel, we've got a couple pieces of cream cheese, that's what I'm thinking of, here in the bowl. What are we doing today?
Well, do you ever have friends that say, hey, we're having a barbecue, come over, it's about 2 hours away, bring dessert?
I don't have any friends, but I understand what you're saying, yeah.
Okay, so this is a mock on the classic Southern dish of lemon icebox pie.
Excellent. How do we get started?
All right, so you are going to beat up room temperature cream cheese until it's really good, soft, and frothy.
I'm messing it up already?
No, you're doing great.
Okay.
So you really want to get it going. There, you're doing great.
All right.
Make sure anytime you're doing the creaming method,
all right,
you always scrape down the sides.
Excellent.
Okay. So the next ingredient that we're going to add is some sweetened condensed milk.
Okay.
And this is a wonderful recipe if you have little ones at home that aren't oven proof yet. Yeah, they still want to help.
No oven even needed. Okay.
Right. All right. So go ahead and give that a whirl.
All right. Oh yeah, that's starting to look good.
Starting to come together.
All right, what's next?
The juice of 2 lemons.
2 lemons, all right.
Careful, this is going to splash on you a little bit.
All right.
And while Josh is doing that, depends on how bright and lemony you want your pie. I like a good lemon feel for my pie, so we'd use a microplane and use zest. And you just want to take the first layer off. Okay?
Excellent.
So this is actually the zest of one whole lemon.
All right, we'll mix that in there as well.
Okay. So we already have a graham cracker pie. Looks good, Josh.
All right, good consistency.
We're going to put it in there.
All right, excellent.
And you want to put it in your fridge for about 2 hours.
All right. Bam, bam, bam.
This is a simple raspberry sauce that I do with it. It's just frozen raspberries. Put a little sugar in it. I like to put a little bit of lemon juice in it as well, just to kind of meld the flavors together.
Excellent.
After all is said and done and 2 hours has gone by.
Bam. All right, we're gonna get that out of the way. And this is what it looks like when it comes out of the refrigerator. That's awesome.
Really easy, simple. Put some raspberry sauce on top.
Oh, that looks good.
And call it dessert.
Bam. All right, we're out of time. This recipe and many others, they're online at thechefskitchen.com. From our kitchen to yours.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.